Good day. My name is Melanie Presentacion Bore, 39 years old, single without the kids. I work as a cashier at Brunei Darussalam for almost 10 years. I work in Hong Kong as a DH, taking care of an elderly. As a first timer as a DH, is that my luck to work long in Hong Kong. So I apply here in UAE. I work as a nanny and housemaid. My contract will be finished on April 2025. I can cook Western food, Asian food, and Arabic food. I am hardworking, trustworthy, and caring. As I work here in UAE with a coworker, for me it's not good idea. It's not convenient for me, so I prefer to work alone. It does not matter what preferred job is for me as long as the employer is good, nice, caring to their employee. Thank you and have a nice day.